Right, hello everybody. I'm Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman channel, and today is Sunday, and I'm just going to do a very short video, one which is very unusual for this channel. It's an unboxing video, and the story behind this is yesterday I met two sets of really good friends of the channel for a couple of coffees in St Helier. The first was Jean Longsden, who everybody might know if they read the comments. He's the guy who provides us with all the information about Jersey, so it was lovely to meet him. And the second group was Brian James and his partner Kim, who are over on the island from Plymouth. And we had a lovely time, a lovely chat, and Brian and Kim gave me a packet wrapped up in a black plastic bag and told me it was a B&Q bucket, and I'm going to open it. I have to tell you, I've just peeked my head inside to make sure that there wasn't a severed head in the bucket or something along those lines. You can never tell with Brian. He's got a wicked sense of humour. There's no severed head, and it looks very interesting and very kind and very generous of them. So let's see what they brought with them. And firstly, it is a B&Q bucket, but it's jam-packed full. And for a start, I love B&Q buckets, so thank you very much. And straight away, look what we've got. Winalot shapes for Paddy. How great is that? So they've thought of Paddy. That is brilliant. Thank you so much. What is this? Oh my word. And that is a lovely doggy jacket for Paddy, and it's high vis, so that is brilliant. Wow, thank you so much. That's really good. And oh my word, here we have Margot. Can I be your companion? I promise to care for you throughout your life journey. Ah, how sweet. And there is a lovely, can you see, a lovely little teddy bear for Margot. Oh, wonderful. That's so kind. Then we've got Tom's cycle glass. Oh, I can't believe this. Oh, Brian and Kim, that's amazing. I don't have cycle glasses. I do now. Thank you very much. And hang on. Angie's cycle glasses. Wow. That's amazing. Thank you. I'm going to run out of thank yous right here. We have a torch. Excellent. Lovely. And what's this down here? This bucket is jam-packed. We have light set front and rear to be seen safely at night for the bikes. How about that? It just goes to prove that Brian or Kim, or Brian and Kim, have watched the videos. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. Is it a waterproof bag? Now, oh. Oh. What is a waterproof thing? Oh! I'm looking at the wrong way. Look at that. That is absolutely perfect for walks. That'll fold up, go in my bag, and if it starts pouring down with rain unexpectedly, I've got a little cagoule. Fantastic. Oh, wow. That's for Ange. She's my professional shopper. Oh my word. The Reluctant Outdoorsman. Fantastic. Fantastic. Here we go. Wow. Well, I do wear caps, so that is amazing. And what have we got here? We've got another one, I think. Here we go. A very smart cap as well. Oh, wow. These are going to come in so useful for my walks. And another cap. Wow. Excellent. Really smart. Definitely be wearing these. So, Brian and Kim, just a quick video and a way to say thank you to you so much for your generosity and for your thoughtfulness as well. It's very kind of you, and it was lovely to meet you both yesterday. So that's it for today. Just a little extra video, and it's a way of me being able to say thank you to Brian and Kim, and also thank you so much to Jean for coming along yesterday. It was great to meet him as well. So bye for now.